Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here with an awesome good morning wake up routine. All right, we're gonna wake up and stretch those muscles. We're gonna activate good blood flow and circulation, and most of all, give you a nice boost of energy so you can tackle your day. Let's get into it. All right, starting off, we're gonna start with 5 big, beautiful breaths. All right, so hands are down, breathe in as they come up, and then exhale. Hands go down. 4 more. 3, 2, last one. Very, very good. Now starting off, 30 seconds of high knees, all right? Our chest is up, our shoulders are pushed away from our ears, and our knees are coming up towards us. We're not coming down to our knees, all right? So if yours don't come as high as mine do, has come down here a little bit, that's okay. All right, just make sure that back is straight. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Next we have side reaches. 30 seconds of alternating side reaches. All right. Over, over, over. Coming back, and then the other side. Really stretch side, up, 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 and over, right? Feeling a nice stretch in your obliques right there. Very good. Exaggerate the movement. Breathing. Very good. Last one, and 3, 2, 1. Come down, very good. Next we have some squats. Feet are hip width apart. 30 seconds, all right. Sitting in our invisible chair. Come down, knees never past your toes. Nice straight back. We're gonna avoid arching. We're gonna avoid rounding over, all right. And then you come up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very good. And if you can't go all the way down, go ahead and do a half squat, all right? Maybe come down just 6 inches, bend the knees a little bit, and then come back up, all right? Very good. Breathing. Chin is up. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Ending it with my favorite, and extend, release. Extend and release. All right. So extend, extend, up, 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 all the way up. Reach, reach, reach. You can even come up on your tippy toes like a calf raise if you want to, if you feel comfortable. And then we're going to release, coming down. Arms swing back up, over, and again. All right. 30 seconds. Take your time. Breathing. If coming all the way down and swinging back and your arms come up behind you, kind of like makes you feel uncomfortable, vertigo, all that good stuff, no worries. Just go ahead and extend all the way, and then whew, you can kind of roll down and then roll up and go again. And last one, 3, 2, 1, and up. There we have it. Set 1 of your good morning routine. All right, take a second, grab some water, and then we're gonna do it again.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do, so I zip it. We're just gonna go straight through it. We're gonna start with those 5 breaths, all right? Alrighty, starting with our 5 breaths, and begin. Inhale. Last one. Very good. 30 seconds of high knees. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out right into side reaches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, roll those shoulders, and going into squats. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very nice. I was just showing you all the different arm choices you could do with squats. Moving on to our last but not least. Beautiful. Extend and release. Let's go. Last one. And 3, 2, 1. Gently come up, roll those shoulders back. And there we have it, set number 2. Awesome job. I hope you are starting to feel that energy buzzing through you. I know I am. We're gonna take a second, grab that water, and do it one more time. Alrighty, set number 3, starting with those big breaths. All right, and begin. Inhale. Last one. Very good. 30 seconds of high knees. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out right into side reaches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, roll those shoulders, and going into squats. and 3, 2, 1. Very good. Up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very nice. Moving on to our last but not least. Beautiful. Extend and release. Let's go. Last one. And 3, 2, 1. Gently come up, roll those shoulders back. And that was it, my beautiful people. Well done. 3 sets of your good morning wake up routine. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. And also wanted to let you know that we are starting a belly fat burn challenge June 20th, the first day of summer. All right, summer is coming up and we want to feel good, we want to feel confident, we want to be healthy. All right, so join us on this challenge right here on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe, click the bell. That'll let you know when we post videos so you don't miss out on anything, and I hope to see you there.